Hey guys, it's Israel and today I'm going to be showing you Panama City, the vibrant capital of Panama and a hub of commerce, culture and adventure. With almost 2 million people, Panama City is a must-visit destination for those seeking to experience the best of Central America. Today I'll take you on a journey through Panama City, highlighting the best places to visit, the best places to eat, and I'll give you some tips for getting around and making the most of your visit in this modern city. Thanks for watching and welcome to Panama City. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you the city of Panama. Panama is a small country located in Central America, right between Costa Rica and Colombia. Panama City is mostly known for the Panama Canal. It's also known for being one of the most modern and prosperous cities in Latin America. So I got here yesterday. So I've seen a little bit of Panama. The architecture, the people, everything feels like you are in the Caribbean. And yeah, so if you're curious to see how Panama is like, in this video I'm going to show you the main attractions of the city, the best places to eat, and give me some information to give you an idea of how Panama is like. Right now I'm located in this beautiful square. I'm actually staying right in front of here in a place called Hotel Colombia. I found it on Airbnb. I didn't know it was a hotel. And so far it's been good. It's located in an area called El Casco Viejo, which is the old part of town. And in my opinion, it's the best place to stay in the city because it's very walkable. You don't need a car, you can just walk around and it's beautiful. So I highly recommend you stay there if you come to Panama. It's a very good option. Okay guys, so I'm really trying to find a place to fly my drone, but unfortunately I can't. It seems like a lot of government buildings are located here in the Casco Viejo, so it's very restricted and my drone cannot fly. So in case you're someone that flies drones, it seems like here it's more restricted. It's like there's more laws. But as you can see behind me is located El Ministerio de Gobierno. It's a beautiful building. One thing I've seen about the Casco Viejo is that there's a lot of very beautiful buildings all over this area. They're very well preserved. You can tell they are very well maintained. The painting, the sculptures, everything feels very well kept together. By the way, the weather is beautiful. It's warm, but it's not like super warm, you know, it feels nice. Right now it's 9 a.m. It's 9 a.m. and the weather is beautiful. You can feel the breeze. You feel like you're in the... Panama has a lot of buildings. This is a very modern city. It feels a little bit like Miami. So we are walking in the Casco Viejo and we're gonna head towards the main square, which is Plaza de Independencia. Yesterday we were walking around here and there were so many tourists from the United States. Like I could hear a lot of Chinese people. Welcome, we are in Plaza de Independencia, also known as Plaza Mayor. This is the main square of the historic center, El Casco Viejo. And here, if you come at night, it looks beautiful because all of these trees have these lights and they look lovely. That is the main square of Panama City. This is the Panama Cathedral. Now, the layout of this square is very similar to like any Latin or Mexican town because, you know, they have the main square and then you have the kiosk here in the middle and the church. It's getting warmer because, you know, right now it's like already noon, so I already feel a little warmer than earlier, but let's go inside that church and have a look. Come on. So the official currency here in Panama is the Balboa. However, Panama is the first country in Latin America that adopted the dollar as official currency. So when you come here, you are going to be able to use the dollars. You don't need to exchange at all. When we got to the airport, we asked the locals where we could exchange currency and everyone were like, You don't need to, you can use your dollars. However, they do have their currency and it's the Bolivar. No, sorry. They do have their currency and it's called Balboa. So 1 Balboa equals $1. So it's pretty much, you know, the same. So far, we paid only with dollars, and they give you change in dollars and sometimes in their own currency. I'm gonna show you. So this one equals to $0.50, so it's 50 cents of Balboa. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna be able to fly my drone. I'm really sad because I've tried already 3 times and it's not working. So I'm gonna keep trying.
And now it's time for my favorite part about traveling, which is food. Now on this trip I visited 3 places that were highly recommended by locals, so they're supposed to have very good authentic food. This is the first place I tried. It's called Diablicos, and honestly the food was okay. I didn't love it. I don't know, maybe it's just what I ordered, but I thought it was kind of plain. I don't know. Another place people recommended a lot is this one called Casablanca, which was actually right next to our hotel. Again, I didn't love it. I don't know, maybe it's what we ordered. We thought it was way too overpriced for what we got. The food was okay, the flavors were like and it was really expensive, so I don't know. But we did find a place that we actually loved, and it's actually really cheap. It's in a market called El Mercado de los Mariscos. I highly recommend it.
So we got a little bit hungry and we are in this market called El Mercado de los Pescados. This is apparently a very good place to come in Panama City to try seafood. So if you're gonna try authentic food from this region, you should come to this market. This is the fish market of Panama. I'm really sorry if it's very noisy. There's so much people here and so much noise. We ordered something called pescado a la macha. ¿Así? Pescado, something like that. Pescado macho, yeah, I think. Pargo macho, oh sorry, yeah. So I ordered something called pargo macho. Pargo macho apparently is a very typical dish here in Panama. And it comes, it's a fish, and it comes with patacones, it comes with salad and rice. I made it to one of the most iconic landmarks here in Panama City, which is this building. This building is called the F&F Tower, but locals call it El Tornillito. I really love the shape. By the way, to come here, you need a taxi. You need a taxi, and from the Casco Viejo to here, it cost us $10. And around here, there's not really that much to do, honestly. This is like an avenue with a lot of headquarters buildings, so there is not that much to see here. I think we're just gonna stay here for a little bit and then either take another taxi or walk around. And also, you cannot go up there. So there's like a lobby, but this building is not for tourists, so you cannot really go up or anything. But thankfully, I was able to fly my drone here. I flew it and I got some really, really nice shots for you guys. By the way, it's getting really hot. It's 11 a.m. and I'm sweating so much. It's getting really, really hot. And it's not that sunny, actually. It's kind of cloudy. So yeah, when you come to Panama, make sure you bring tank tops with this.
Panama City is mostly known for the Panama Canal, which is one of the 7 wonders of the modern world. More than 13,000 ships cross the Panama Canal every year, and it generates 1/3 of Panama's entire economy. Every ship that passes through the canal pays a toll based on its size, type, and volume of cargo. They run around $450,000 per ship, and it's estimated that the Panama Canal Authority collects around $2.1 billion of revenue every year. So what do you guys think about Panama City? Do you think it's a city worth visiting? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to support this channel, All I ask from you is to give this video a thumbs up. That way you will help this video reach more people and help other travelers. I have lots of videos on the way, so make sure you subscribe to this channel if you don't want to miss them. Remember that if you'd like to support my work, the easiest way is with a super thanks or PayPal. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you guys on my next video. Adios!